The innocence we forget. Take a moment and reflect. Sometimes, one of the greatest battles within the human spirit is the battle against lustful perception. Not simply what the eyes see, but how the mind chooses to interpret what it sees. And over time, I have come to realize something that helps bring my spirit back into alignment. Every person we look at was once a child. Before the world shaped them, before influence, temptation, sensuality, attention, and perception changed how people viewed one another, they were once innocent, pure in spirit, gentle in presence, untouched by the weight of lustful eyes and worldly desire. And sometimes we forget that. Lust has a way of reducing a person to appearance alone. It causes the mind to focus only on the flesh, while ignoring the soul, the humanity, and the life within the person standing before us. But remembering innocence changes perception. It reminds us that human beings are more than bodies to be desired. They are souls, lives, people once carried in the arms of parents, protected with care, smiling with purity before the world slowly shaped their identity. Perhaps this is one reason Jesus spoke about children the way he did. Because children symbolize humility, purity, softness of heart, sincerity, and a spirit not yet consumed by corruption and pride. The world often trains the eyes to lust, but wisdom trains the eyes to see deeper, to see dignity, humanity, and the value of a soul beyond outward appearance. And sometimes, one of the ways we protect our spirit is by remembering the innocence we forget.